Ever notice that the harder you try to win her over, the more distant she becomes? You send thoughtful texts, like her photos, and make yourself constantly available, yet she pulls away. The problem isn't your kindness, it's a misunderstanding of attraction. When your attention is always available, it loses its value. In today's world, she's surrounded by attention. Your efforts blend into the background. Attraction thrives on a bit of mystery and scarcity. If you're always present, there's nothing for her to wonder about. Instead of being intriguing, you become predictable, an open book she's already read. The solution? Stop chasing. Build a life so compelling that she's naturally curious about being part of it. Show your value through self-respect and scarcity, not constant pursuit. Now, let's talk about the power of absence. This isn't about playing games or being cold. It's about creating space. When you step back, you break the pattern of constant contact. Suddenly, her phone is quieter, and she starts to notice your absence. This gap gives her room to reflect on her feelings and memories of you, instead of just reacting to your presence. When you're not always there, any thought she has of you is her own, not a reaction to your actions. That makes her curiosity and interest genuine. Your absence becomes a gift. She chooses to think about you. This is how you shift from being the chaser to being the one who's missed. Let her wonder where you are and what you're up to. The first step is a strategic digital retreat. In a world where our lives are constantly intertwined with screens, notifications, and endless scrolling, stepping back can feel almost radical. But this is exactly what makes it so powerful. By intentionally pulling away from the digital noise, you create space, not just for her to notice your absence, but for you to reconnect with yourself. Don't block or unfriend her. Just quietly disappear from her digital world. There's no need for dramatic gestures or announcements. Instead, let your silence speak for itself. This subtle withdrawal is far more intriguing than any confrontation or explanation. Stop all proactive communication. No more daily texts, memes, or check-ins. Resist the urge to send that funny video or ask how her day was. Let her feel the shift in energy. This isn't about playing games. It's about giving both of you the space to breathe. If she reaches out, reply with warmth, but keep it brief. Be polite, be kind, but don't initiate or prolong the conversation. Show her that you're still approachable, but that your attention is no longer centered on her. Become invisible on her social media. Don't post stories or updates that are clearly meant for her to see. Let your online presence fade quietly into the background. Don't view her stories, like her posts, or comment. Every digital interaction, no matter how small, signals you're still watching. Even a single like can send the message that you're still invested. Every digital interaction signals you're still watching. When you stop, it creates a noticeable void. She may not say anything, but she'll feel the difference. By withdrawing, you interrupt her expectations. The routine she's grown used to, your messages, your likes, your presence, suddenly shifts. This disruption is what makes her start to wonder about you. She'll notice your absence, even if she doesn't mention it. People are more aware of what's missing than they let on. Your silence will echo louder than any words. Stay consistent, don't cave after a couple of days. The real impact comes with time. The longer you maintain your distance, the more she'll feel it. Resist the urge to check her profiles or see if she's noticed. This is about self-control and discipline. The less you know about her digital activity, the easier it is to focus on your own growth. Shift your focus from her digital life to your real one. Reconnect with friends, pick up hobbies, and invest in experiences that enrich your life outside the screen. This isn't just about making her miss you, it's about reclaiming your own time and energy. Use this opportunity to rediscover what makes you happy and fulfilled, independent of anyone else's attention. Let your absence speak louder than any message you could send. Sometimes, the most powerful statement is made in silence. By stepping back, you not only give her the chance to miss you, but you also give yourself the gift of clarity and self-respect. Disappearing is only half the equation. Stepping back from the noise, from the expectations of others, gives you the space to breathe and reflect. But what you do with that space is what truly matters. It's not about vanishing from the world, it's about reappearing as someone stronger, more fulfilled, and deeply content with your own journey. The real magic happens when you fill that space with a life worth living. Imagine waking up excited for your day, not because of anyone else, but because you've built a routine and a world that energizes you. This is where transformation begins, when you invest in yourself, your passions, and your growth. Channel your energy into your own growth. Hit the gym, Push your limits, and watch your body and mind evolve. Every drop of sweat is a step toward a stronger, more resilient you. Pick up a new sport, challenge yourself to learn skills you never thought possible, and embrace the thrill of trying something unfamiliar. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Or dive into a passion project. Whether it's painting, building, or creating music, let your creativity flow. These moments of focus and expression are where you discover new sides of yourself. Physical activity builds confidence and discipline, but it also teaches you patience and perseverance. Each small victory in the gym or on the field adds up, shaping not just your body, but your mindset. But the real reward is mental strength and new connections. When you push yourself, you meet others on the same journey, people who inspire you, challenge you, and celebrate your wins. Pursue your interests, learn something new, start a side hustle, or take a class that excites you. The world is full of knowledge waiting to be explored, and every new skill you gain adds to your confidence and independence. Or take up a creative hobby. Music, photography, writing. These are more than just pastimes. They're ways to express your unique perspective and find joy in the process of creation. When you're passionate about your life, you radiate energy that draws people in. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, and others want to be around someone who is genuinely excited about what they do. You become more interesting and self-assured, not because you're trying to impress anyone, but because you're living authentically. Confidence comes naturally when you're proud of the life you're building. Don't neglect your social life. Organize outings, reconnect with friends, and expand your circle. Meaningful relationships are the foundation of a rich, fulfilling life, and shared experiences create memories that last. A man with a vibrant, active life is naturally attractive, not because he's trying to make her jealous, but because he's living with purpose. Adventure, laughter, and camaraderie become part of your story. But most importantly, he's genuinely fulfilled. True satisfaction comes from within, from knowing you're making the most of your time and energy. This isn't a tactic, it's the goal. The aim isn't to prove anything to anyone else, but to create a life that feels meaningful to you. Every day is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to enjoy the journey. Build a life that excites you, with or without her. When you focus on your own happiness and fulfillment, everything else falls into place. The art of living an enviable life is about becoming the best version of yourself, one day at a time. As your life gets richer, let the world see it, but do it for you, not for her. Share moments from your journey because you're proud, not because you want her attention. Post photos of your adventures, achievements, and good times with friends. Keep it light and authentic. No need for deep captions or hidden messages. Your social media should reflect a life that's moving forward and full of energy. When she sees you thriving, it reframes her perception. You're not waiting for her, you're living fully. This creates respect and a touch of FOMO. She'll wish she was part of your world. Show, don't tell that you're a great catch. Subtle psychology can keep you in her thoughts. Use memory triggers, small reminders of your shared moments. Post a song you both loved or a photo at a place you visited together without tagging or messaging her. These indirect cues spark nostalgia and positive memories. Social proof is powerful too. Share genuine moments with friends, including women, to show you're valued and socially active. Don't fake it. Let it be a natural reflection of your life. When she sees you happy and surrounded by others, it signals you're desirable and confident. This isn't about making her jealous, but about showing you're a high-value man. Positive memories and social validation make you unforgettable, even in your absence. After your strategic absence and a period of focused self-improvement, there comes a pivotal moment to reconnect. This isn't just about reaching out, it's about making your return in a way that feels natural, confident, and authentic. The timing and approach you choose can make all the difference in how you're received. Wait until you genuinely feel confident and no longer needy. This usually takes anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, but it's not just about counting days. It's about reaching a place where you're truly comfortable with yourself, enjoying your own company, and feeling fulfilled by your own progress. Use this time to reflect, grow, and rediscover what makes you unique. Often, if you've handled your absence well, she'll reach out first. This is a sign that your presence is missed and your value has increased in her eyes. She might send a casual message, react to your social media, or even ask mutual friends about you. If she does reach out, don't rush to reply. Give yourself time to process her message and respond thoughtfully. This shows that you're not desperate for her attention, and that your life is full and engaging. When you do respond, keep it warm, positive, and brief. Avoid long explanations or emotional outpourings. A simple, friendly reply is enough to reignite the connection without overwhelming her. If you're the one to initiate, reference something interesting you've been doing. For example, just got back from that hiking trail we talked about. Thought of you. How have you been? This shows you've been living your life and thinking of her in a positive way, inviting her into your world, without pressure. Don't let the conversation linger in endless texting. Move quickly from messaging to suggesting a real-life meetup. Say something like, "Let's catch up over a drink next week." This keeps the momentum going and shows you're interested in genuine connection, not just virtual chatter. When you meet, show up as the new, confident version of yourself. There's no need for explanations or apologies about your absence. Let your actions and energy speak for themselves. Dress well, carry yourself with assurance, and focus on enjoying the moment. Center the conversation on your passions, recent experiences, and what you've learned. Avoid rehashing the past or discussing what went wrong. Instead, share stories that highlight your growth and the positive changes you've made. Let her see the growth and self-assurance you've built during your time apart. Your confidence and positivity will naturally draw her in and make her curious about this new chapter of your life. Remember, the goal is to reconnect from a place of strength, not neediness. You want her to see that you're thriving on your own, and that any renewed connection is a bonus, not a necessity. When you approach your return with confidence, authenticity, and a genuine sense of self-worth, she'll be drawn to this new version of you, curious, impressed, and eager to reconnect. Remember, this isn't a manipulative game. It's about genuine self-growth. If you're just pretending to be confident to get a reaction, she'll sense it. The real goal is to build a life you'd miss if it were gone. When you're engaged with your purpose, health, and community, your happiness isn't tied to one person's validation. This detachment is magnetic. Every time you choose yourself, your hobbies, your friends, your goals, you reclaim your power. If she comes back, great. If not, you still win. You become a better, more fulfilled man. The prize is your own growth, not just her attention. Ultimately, the real victory isn't getting the girl, it's becoming the man. These strategies are blueprints for unshakable confidence and lasting happiness. When you're whole and happy on your own, rejection is just redirection. Your self-worth is built on your character and the life you've created, not someone else's opinion. Love your life, and people will be drawn to your energy. Do everything for your own growth and joy. The true prize is looking in the mirror and seeing a man you deeply respect, confident, happy, and complete.